Hi, I'm Michael Rückert from Akacel, and I would like to show you the advantages of using our Stick. Stick is a diamond stick with a very high diamond concentration. Here in this kind 250 carat per liter. It is ideal for priming a polishing cloth before the first use. In order to apply the Stick correctly, you switch on the polishing cloth, let it rotate slowly, and simply press the diamond stick on the center and move it out slightly. So you have this spiral pattern of diamonds, and because of the very high concentration you have now almost a diamond impregnated polishing cloth which is ready for immediate use. No need to run it in, but you can start immediately and you do not have to extend the preparation time for the first use.